Hi, welcome to my next video on section Cloud Types under Azure Fundamentals. We are going to see 20 questions with answer and explanations within 20 minutes time frame. The first question, which cloud model where it has hard to prevent sharing of information? Is it public or private or community or hybrid? The correct answer for this question is option A, that is public. Let's see the reason. Public cloud is a shared entity and is being used by many tenants. Unless you have proper security controls in place, it will be difficult to prevent sharing of information. Next question. All hardware need to be managed by an organization is an example of public or private or community or hybrid. The right answer for this question is private. Let's see the reason. Private cloud, where entire hardware need to be taken care by the customer himself. Even in hybrid model, the on-premises hardware need to be managed by customer. Considering the word all hardware, the most apt answer is B, that is private. Next question. Co-located data centers are connected together and classified as dash. Is it public or private or community or hybrid? The right answer for this question is option B, that is private. Let's see the reason behind this. Public, hybrid, and community cloud model in which the data centers need not be co-located. Whereas in private cloud model, the data centers are ring-fenced and located near to each other and connected most probably with high-speed fiber net connectivity. Next come true or false. Information moved between public and private resources shall be hacked. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is option A, that is true. Let's see the reason for this answer. Public cloud is a shared entity and is being used by many tenants. Unless you have proper security controls in place, it will be difficult to prevent sharing of information. There are good chances that the flow of information within the public cloud shall be hacked. With that, the correct answer is option A. Next question. Dash shared cloud computing service environment that is targeted to limited set of organizations or employees. Is it public or private or community or hybrid? The right answer for this question is private, that is option B. Let's see the explanation for this. Private cloud is for a ring-fenced networking for an organization of resources, whereas public cloud is a shared entity, same in the case for the community cloud between organization. With that, the correct answer is private, that is option B. Next question, which among the following where connectivity between data centers are achieved using internet or fiber net or company intranet? Is it public or private or community or hybrid? The correct answer for this question is private. Let's see the reason for this answer. This is a tricky question. Public cloud won't use intranet, and so it is not the answer. Hybrid cloud normally won't go for fiber net, and so it is not the answer. The reason why hybrid cloud not going for fiber net is because it's costlier for them. Similarly, community cloud won't go for high cost fiber net. With that, private cloud uses fiber net for high speed data exchange between the co-located data centers. And it uses on daily activities and uses the internet secure connection to connect to the external world, and so it is the right answer. That is option B. Next question. Which among the following has security and the compliance issues? Is it public or private or community or hybrid? The right answer for this question is option A, that is public. Let's see the reason. Public cloud is a shared entity and supports for multi-tenancy. Keeping sensitive data and support for regulatory requirements are not advisable with the public cloud, and so it is the right answer. Next question, true or false? Public cloud resources shall be part of private cloud resources and they can be connected together for an organization. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is option B, that is false. Let's see the reason. Public resources should not be connected to private cloud. Public cloud resources never part of the private cloud and vice versa. And so false is the right answer. Next question, true or false? Public and private cloud infrastructure shall be managed together using single administrative control panel. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is false. Let's see the answer. Reason for this answer. Private cloud resources are secure and are inside the ring fenced security. They cannot be managed by the tools used by the public cloud. And so option B is the right answer. Next question. Pharma companies shall form a cloud infrastructure forum to exchange expertise. Information between them is called as a dash cloud. Is it public or private or community or hybrid? The right answer for this question is option C, that is community. Let's see the let's see the reason for choosing this option. Organization or companies they connect together to form a community cloud to meet their specific business need. In this particular case, it is pharma companies connects together to share their expertise. This model is called as community cloud. And so option C is the right answer. Next question, what does a customer provide in a software as a service model? Are they going to provide application data or data storage, compute resources or application software? The right answer for this question is option A. Let's see why we selected this option A. Application software is provided by software as a service vendor. Data storage and compute resources are provided by the cloud service provider. Then customer only provided data for configuring the SaaS product, set access control to the SaaS for the customer users, and provide core data to run the SaaS software. And so A is the right answer. Next question, you have 50 virtual machines hosted on premises and 50 virtual machines hosted on Azure. The on-premises virtual machines and Azure virtual machines connect to each other. Which type of cloud model is this? Is it public or private or hybrid or community? The right answer for this question is hybrid. Let's see the answer why we opted this. This scenario explains us the use of on-premises resources with the public cloud resources together. That is called as hybrid cloud concept. And so option C is the correct answer. Next question. You hold the most technical responsibility in what kind of solution? Is it database as a service, or platform as a service, or software as a service, or infrastructure as a service? The right answer for this question is infrastructure as a service. Let's see the reason behind choosing this option. It's a kind of tricky question. Read it couple of times. Here, IaaS composer of servers, storage, networking, and VMs, which are owned by the cloud service provider. Anything over and above is fully technical, and so IaaS is the right answer. With that, answer option D is the correct answer. Next question, you hold the most technical responsibility in what kind of solution? Option A on premises, option B software as a service, option C IaaS, option D PaaS. The right answer for this question is on premises. Let's see the reason. This question is almost same as that of the previous one. There is a slight difference between the option between this question and the previous question. On premises is a new option added, which is more technical compared to IaaS. And so on premises is the correct answer. And so we opted option A. Next question, which option has a maximum responsibility of cloud service provider? Is it IaaS or PaaS or SaaS or it is equal to all option? The right answer for this question is IaaS. Let's see the reason. In IaaS, CSP responsibility to manage and maintain the server, storage, networking, and VMs are all owned by them. So they have maximum responsibility when it comes to CSP with respect to IaaS. And so that is the correct answer. Next question, you don't need to manage the application in what kind of service? Is it SaaS or PaaS or on-premises or IaaS? The right answer for this question is SaaS environment. Let's see why we are opted for this answer. IaaS and on-premises are not related to this question. Whatever the application that you built using PaaS, it is your responsibility to manage. And so that is also not the answer for this question. Whereas in SaaS, application will be managed by the SaaS service provider, which include SaaS application upgrades and bug fixes. So option A is the correct answer. Next question, what is a complete development deployment environment in the cloud with resources that enable organization to deliver everything from simple cloud-based apps to sophisticated cloud-enabled enterprise application? Is it SaaS or DaaS or PaaS or IaaS? The right answer for this question is PaaS. The reason behind selecting this answer is using PaaS model, you can build, compile, and deploy application as per your requirement. Required runtime services will be enabled at the PaaS level, and so you can build any application quickly and deploy them. And so option C is the correct answer. Next question, Microsoft Excel macro is an example of what kind of service? Is it PaaS or DaaS or SaaS or IaaS? The right answer for this question is option A, that is PaaS. The reason is software is available for the developer to start developing the macros as per requirement, and so it is a PaaS model. Next question, what is the most flexible category of cloud services? Is it PaaS or IaaS or DaaS or software as a service? The right answer for this question is option B, that is IaaS. The reason, let's explore the reason why we selected this option. IaaS is the most flexible cloud computing model and allows for automated deployment of servers, processing power, storage, and networking. IaaS clients have true control over their infrastructure than users of PaaS or SaaS solution. And so option B is the right answer. Next question, Udemy is an example of what kind of service? Is it software as a service or platform as a service or infrastructure as a service or none of the above? The right answer for this question is option A, that is SaaS model. Let's see why we selected this option. Udemy, it's an online learning and teaching experience where a customer can use it and put their data directly, that is their teaching courses. Customer need not maintain any application and also not worry about the infra, and so it is a perfect example for software as a service. With that, I close up this short video discussion. Thank you very much, and I hope this video helpful to you for your interview or exam preparation point of view. And this is not the end of the session. We are going to continue to discuss this topic, that is cloud type, again. And so wait for that. Till the time, stay safe, and if you like this video, subscribe and post your comment. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye.